In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to set up new sections and subsections. First, we need to log into a control panel with the username and password that was provided. Now on DGen, let us click on Admin Sections. Here we have a list of all the different sections that we already have. Contact information and hit counter are special sections that serve to display the contact information, your name, address, telephone, etc., and a hit counter. These two sections are special because they will be replicated on every single page on your website. Here we have two sections, Home and Contact Us. Let's jump to the website. Here they are. On the main menu navigation bar, we can see Home and Contact Us. Below is the contact information section and also the hit counter as well. Let's go back to the control panel. And let's say we want to add a new section called About Us. Click on Add and start typing in the ID 003 underscore about underscore us. It's very important to mention that the ID becomes part of the URL. Therefore, we cannot use special characters. Only the underscore is allowed. Do not leave blank spaces or use apostrophes or any other special characters because that will create a navigation issue. Only use numbers and small caps. Language. This section is going to be in English, so let's go to Type now. This section is going to be located over the main navigation bar menu. Title. Let's type in About Us. Here we can use spaces, uppercase, and special characters, except for the apostrophe. Apostrophes can be defined as ampersand, pound, 39, semicolon, if needed. Meta tags are intended to be keywords and key phrases that search engines use to index your website. Please refer to our meta tag manual so you can understand how they work and how they interact with search engines. This is what we call search engine optimization. Next line. Special. By default, none is selected, meaning that this section will contain text, images, slideshows, PDF files, etc. This is not the contact information section. This is not the hit counter section, and this won't be a dynamic module, meaning that this is not going to be the testimonials or guest book or the directory with newsletters and mailing list system or a form or another dynamic module. Home. This is not the home page. On DGen, you have to be careful selecting which section you want to be the home page. You can only have one section checked as home. Username and password protection. When you are using the directory dynamic system, you might want to protect some sections, forcing the user to subscribe first. Maintenance access. Admin has to be selected. Refer to the multiple levels of the administration manual. Color. Refer to Dynamic Color Layout Manual. Click on Add. Continue. You'll see that the new section has been created. Let's go to the website. Click Reload or Refresh and you see the section is not showing up because there's no green check mark over the editor icon, meaning the section hasn't been activated. It is not visible for web users. Let's click on this icon and see the status, not finished, not accessible to web users. Let's click on the status link. It will change to Finish, accessible to web users. Now let's go to the website again. Click Refresh or Reload and you'll see that the About Us link is now displayed. This way you can switch on and off sections so you can work on them before making them available to the website user. Now, let's say that we want to have About Us in the middle between Home and Contact Us. The only thing we need to do is change on DGen these sorting numbers for the IDs. Let's start with Contact Us. Click Update. Let's change the 2 to a 3. Scroll down and click Update. Let's do the same with About Us. Click Update and change the number to 002. We are sorting differently Contact Us and About Us. Let's go back to the website. Click Refresh or Reload and you'll see that these two items are switched. The numbers over the IDs will dictate the sorting order of sections. Let's go back to the control panel and click on Admin Sections. It's now time to add subsections for one of these sections. Let's keep working with About Us. This column shows you how many subsections About Us has. 0. Let's click on this 0. There are no subsections here. Let's click on Add. Let's do the same. Start with 001 underscored board. Language, English type, / sub of select About Us. So this section becomes a subsection of About Us. Title, board. Don't forget about the meta tags. Scroll down, click Add, Continue. Now we see the new subsection displayed. In order to make it visible on the drop-down menu, we'll have to activate this subsection as well. If we go to Admin Sections now under About Us, we can see that there is a number 1. Let's go to the website and refresh or reload. Let's see what happens. We can see the board section displayed over the drop-down menu About Us. Let's add another subsection called Location. Click on Add. Let's type 002 underscore location. English, About Us. Let's type location. Same. Don't forget about meta tags. Scroll down, Add, Continue. Let's activate this subsection as well to make it visible over the About Us drop-down menu. This ends the tutorial about creating sections and subsections on the fly. Remember, it's very important to keep IDs consistent, sorted, and with lowercase and using underscores. Refer to our manuals for further information.